interest and the involvement of the academy. But I'd like to point out that we and the provincial government and with the new partnership with the National Museum in Pawai will be an opportunity for your academic programs to build the design courses that are specific to Ilocos. What I mean is, for example, we have a strong at the BGIN. We have what I believe is a unique program for design that we are doing in our organization. In fact, we hosted students from St. Louis University from their architecture program who apprenticed with us, and other universities in Manila who send students here to practice within a government institution and specific to a place. We have started these engagements with Divine Work with their architecture program to find ways to partner for design. And for Northwestern especially, with their strong architecture program, this is an opportunity for your students and your program to grow towards museum-specific design practices, which is a lucrative design industry for architects. But for tourism, we offer opportunities for tourism practitioners to look into the tourism industry as a more experiential industry, where we can partner in developing and designing training programs that are again specific to the province and the sites that we have. I think the bottom line is the National Museum is a real-world laboratory for your tourism programs, Northwestern and Northern Christian College, for the design programs in architecture, for the media programs. It can be more real world than the National Museum. And of course, we trust and we hope that the National Museum in Pawai will be able to accommodate within their education and training mandate partnerships, lively partnerships with our academic institutions in the province.